Ever wonder how AI forgets things? Like really forgets. While machines excel at remembering, there are times we need them to unlearn, whether it's deleting sensitive data or improving fairness. Today, we're cracking a breakthrough study on AI forgetting. The challenge: unlearning specific data without wrecking the model's skills. Researchers tested methods like ACF, a new technique that outperforms traditional approaches. On CIFAR-10, ACF erased data in 44 seconds, Vs. 58 minutes for old methods, while keeping accuracy sharp. How? They made the learning process steeper, forcing the model to shed old patterns faster. Plus, a differentiable MIA term acts as a privacy filter, hiding clues about training data. The result? Faster, safer unlearning. Imagine AI deleting your data instantly, without losing its ability to diagnose diseases or drive cars. This isn't just tech, it's ethics, privacy, and trust in AI. Next time you hear AI forgetting, remember, it's math, not magic. Check the paper below for the full story. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into AI's future.